Do you want to see how I'm going to make tens of thousands of dollars off of this off-market property here standing behind me? I am in Lowell, Massachusetts. In this video, we're going to talk all about it. If you don't know who I am, I'm Jeremy Beeland. I am an expert at acquiring off-market properties, just like this one. I have gone on to do over 425 successful off-market acquisitions since I started my business in 2017. I've built a few different markets to be million-dollar markets. And today, we're all going to teach you how to do a wholetail from start to finish. Let's head inside. In this video, guys, I am going to break down all the numbers for you. This is a wholetail start to finish. We're going to show you everything we got this property under contract for. And we're going to show you some real numbers here right now, projected numbers. I'm going to show you around, tell you what we plan on doing. And then when you come back here, you're going to see this house all in different various stages of construction. And then we're going to do another video, the last video, where we break down what it looks like and what the real true costs are going to be. Let's hope I make some money, but I should be making tens of thousands of dollars off of this one. Okay, real numbers. We bought this from a realtor that brought us this property off market. This property was a situation where the sellers were distressed. This house was actually really nice 5 years ago, but they had too many people living in here, and the sellers needed to leave here in a hurry, and they are moving internationally. So the realtor saw this property, said, this isn't going to show very well. This isn't going to list very well. And I don't have the capabilities to clean all this house out, but I have a guy, this guy. So they called us, called Eddie, my acquisition guy. We came in here and negotiated price. Now we anticipate the ARV being somewhere around $419,000 to $429,000 on this property. That's the ARV. We got this property under contract for $312,000. We had to pay 2% to the agent for bringing us a deal. She represented us as the buying agent, so she got paid there. And then closing costs. So let's just say we're all in with closing costs and paying the realtor around $325,000. We anticipate the budget being somewhere around $40,000. We're going to try to get it less, but we anticipate about $40,000. And on this, we're probably going to pay about $15,000 to $16,000 in investor fees, because guess what? I borrow money from other people. I don't use my own money. So in order to not use my own money, I have to pay an interest. So those are the numbers. And then you take the 419, 429, we're going to minus 5% of closing costs and real estate commissions on that end. And from our cost for acquisitions, cost of dispositions, that spread in between is what we project, which should be somewhere 20, 30, maybe more thousands of dollars in that. I'm hoping for 30, 35, but I should at least make 20 to 25 on the low end conservatively. So those are the numbers of this project. Now let's talk about what we plan on doing. What's the plan of action to make this place look nice again? Well, like I said, 5 years ago, this house was in pretty good shape. So the wood floors beneath me were actually really nice. We're going to sand and refinish these wood floors and make them look like new again. All the wood trim that you see around the windows and the baseboards, we're going to paint those white. We're going to paint the walls all off-white, paint the ceilings, and we're going to just do all that. Painting and floorings is pretty much the name of the game here. Why? Because the furnace is like 4 or 5 years old and brand new, in great shape. The water heater is only a few years old in really good shape. The roof's only a few years old in really good shape. Landscaping needs some love. That's minor. We'll fix that up as well. The exterior siding is in really good shape. It just needs to be pressure washed because there's some kids been drawing on. But other than that, this house is ready and good to go. Come on in here. So every room is more the same, guys. We're just going to paint everything, right? And then redo the wood floors. That doesn't take long. My goal here is to get this done in about 3 weeks. Come in here. We're going to change out this kitchen a little bit. We're going to paint the kitchen cabinets because we don't have it in our budget. Again, this is a wholetail on this one, so we want to be in and out. Sometimes we replace the kitchens cabinets, but in this one we're not. We're going to keep the countertops. We're going to try to salvage the appliances. We won't know until we deep clean them, but we're going to paint the kitchen cabinets, keep the countertops. We're going to do new lighting fixtures, new plumbing fixtures. We're going to replace this flooring with a nice bright white LVT tile that's going to go right into here, into this little laundry room that you can see behind me. Then if you come back here, we'll show you the one full bathroom downstairs. Again, more paint, more flooring. We're going to replace the vanity. We're going to replace the toilet, replace the plumbing fixtures, the lighting fixtures. We'll salvage the shower. We're going to just deep clean it with an acid wash, and this thing will be like new again. Come on. Let's head upstairs. Take a look at this quiet neighborhood in this little city. Come on up. Okay, up here, still more the same. Hardwood floors that need to be sanded and refinished throughout the entire house. In here, more painting. In here, more painting. In here, more painting. New light fixtures, new plumbing fixtures, sand and refinish the wood floors, paint all the walls, paint the trim, fix some of these repairs, and that's it. We should be out of here in less than about $40,000, and that's all in with cleaning this house. As you saw, there's a lot of junk here, and you should see the basement. It's much more full. We are going to pressure wash the outside. We're going to do landscaping outside. We are going to probably have to replace some of the appliances. We're going to sand and refinish all the wood floors, paint the entire interior, trim and walls, and repair all the damage of walls. Like down here, you can see there's a little hole. There's a little miscellaneous pieces like that. And then in the bathroom, we're going to just update that bathroom. Back here, there's a little one where we're going to probably do a little bit more of the same. We'll probably just update this one. And that's it, guys. That's what a Wholetail is. So you have the numbers of what I bought it for. You know what we're going to do. Next video, you're going to come back here, and this place is going to be cleaned out, and there's going to be all kinds of work going on. I don't know what stage it's going to be in, but you'll find out on the next video. And then after that, we'll come back to do a last video where we show what the house looks like with before and after pictures. And then we'll break down all the numbers and see how much money I actually make on this. Let's hope it's a lot, because if it's a little, boy, am I going to look like an ass in this video, huh? That's it for today. I hope you found this video with a lot of value. Listen, if you want to learn how to acquire properties like this, where you can make tens of thousands of dollars off of properties just like this every single month like I do, click on the link below. In there is a resource where you can learn how to become an off-market acquisition expert, just like me and my companies. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please help bring more value to other people. Feed the algorithm. YouTube needs this algorithm so more people can learn, where we can teach more people to build a life of REI freedom by acquiring off-market properties, one property at a time. That's it for this week, guys. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.